My name is Kevin Hassnain. I currently work for LivaNova in Houston. It's a medical device firm that treats intractable epilepsy, chronic heart failure, depression, and other indications. We're trying to move towards the concept of big data and doing the big data analytics. So my purpose to attend this course was to understand the foundation of the machine learning algorithms that we have discussed over the week. I have previously taken courses on Coursera. Even in fact, I've taken it on Bootcamp. What sets this apart from the other courses is that we covered majority of the topics that you actually get in formal education in a semester. It was obviously in a condensed manner, but it's adequate for you to getting started. I mean, if you're looking for a career change, I honestly cannot tell you a better program than this. And not only that, there's so many resources that you have beyond that point once the conference finishes. And the biggest thing is that the instructor, this is the most powerful thing about this bootcamp, the instructor prefers these sessions to be interactive. He promotes that. So that's huge because we would have discussions on the simplest topic or to the complex topic, and he would stay patient until it's clear. So I think this was a great bootcamp. Absolutely no complaints.